To fix this problem, what you have to do is to just tap on the restart button. Tap on your power button for some while, then tap on restart, then you restart your device. So when you restart your device and it's still not working, this is what you have to do. First of all, you have to go to Google Play Store and check for the latest update of this app. So when you can see open like this, just leave it like that. But when you can see update over here, just tap on it to get the latest update of this app. After doing this, what you have to do is to search for the app over here. So when you find it, just use your finger to tap on it for some while. Then after that, tap at this section. So when you tap at this section, what you are going to be, or where you are going to be, is this section. So when you get over here, tap on the first stop, tap on OK. After tapping on first stop and OK, tap on storage and cache, tap on the clear cache. Now go back. Then after that, check the permissions and make sure every permission is allowed. Go back and tap on notifications and make sure this show notification is turned on like this. After that, you have to go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is turned on. After doing all this, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart, then you tap on OK, and after restarting this, the problem is going to get fixed. When it's still not getting fixed, then what you have to do is to go to Google Play Store again. Then after that, scroll a little bit. You're going to see write a review. So if the problem is still not fixing, tap on write a review, and when you tap on it, describe your problem over here, and it's going to get to the developer for the developer to answer you. When it's still delaying, what you have to do is to tap on app support. Tap over here, then you take this email and send the message or your problem to them, and your problem is going to be fixed. After doing this, thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.